Hello friends, I'm Shaista Khan. Let's talk about healing of anger. We are helpless to control anger. It's very difficult to challenge such thing, how to control anger. But friends, let's talk about how to control anger in an easiest manner. We have to look the things in a different way. Friends, we strive into peace. We strive to look everything into peace, and we strive to convert our emotion into peace at the time of anger, but we couldn't able to make such thing. Friends, anger is one short letter of danger, and it's very difficult to control anger at the time when we burst out, when we shout, when we scream. So friends, it is very easy and it is very understandable manner to, if you able to catch that thing, you can able to control your anger. Not only control your anger, but you can convert your anger into such idea, into such emotion that you can respond it in a proper manner. Friends, there are three doors of human soul destruction, that is lust, anger, and illicit work. When a person's desire is fulfilled, it is converted into greed, and when a person's desire doesn't fulfill, it is converted into anger. And at that moment, it is very difficult to control that anger and manage that anger and control our emotion and behave in a proper manner, respond in a proper manner. There become a vicious cycle, and we feel that we are trapped into in such emotion of anger, and we cannot able to control an anger, and we cannot able to manage an anger in a proper manner. Friends, here we come up with solution, and this is very powerful solution, how to control an anger and how to manage an anger. And this is easiest way that to convert your anger into resolution, into such idea, and respond it in a proper manner. Friends, you have to understand that cultivate the positive attitude towards anger and throw out all negativity. This is the way how you need to learn throwing out all the negative attitude at the time of you feel that your emotion is towards anger. You have to throw all negativity and convert that negativity into positive attitude. This is very powerful solution, friends. I wanna talk today controlling your temper and anger, but I don't want to construct an argument in your own mind that how to control your anger and how to manage your anger. Friends, Allah Almighty connect the things all together, and it is a very divine way, and it is a very new way to look in a new perspective of life. Anger affects physical health of a person. Anger reaction that is pretty harmful to the physical health of a person. Research shows that those who suffer high reaction in anger, 9% of those persons suffer from heart attack, coronary disease, and high blood pressure. Let's see how to control an anger in few steps coming up. And there are few steps that how to control your anger. First is self-awareness. Aware yourself personally, understand yourself, try to understand your own self and understand your emotion, understand how to respond your own self, and understand to convert your emotion into proper manner and convert your anger into resolution. A few steps in anger that how to tackle anger in a proper manner. Friends, when something is pisses you off, at that time you have to behave in such manner. You have to take deep breath and inhale and exhale. You have to inhale deep blue calm air, and you have to exhale all that toxic, all that things that you won't understand, and you burst out and you scream out that pisses you off. So at that time, friends, try to breathe deeply and try to understand and feel your inhale and exhale and focus your own body and with a full mindful attitude. Friends, relax your muscle and unclench your fist and loosen up your body and behave in a comfortable manner. And you can also do shavasana. You can also do feel your body with a great attitude, with a grace, with a gratitude towards God. Next, friends, get it out deeply, relax deeply, and then note it down. What makes you anger, what makes you feel worst, what makes you bust out, and what makes you scream. So friends, write it down in a proper manner, and later one by one, deduct one by one, throw out all negative thoughts one by one from your list. Friends, instead of thinking emotionally, you have to think in a such process. You have to think rationally, you have to think with an idea, you have to think with a resolution, you have to convert your emotion into a good responding behavior. Then only you can able to you can able to control how to convert anger into peaceful attitude. When something is mismatched, and when you expected something and you return with something, at the time you feel an anger. At the time you need to know how to convert that anger into peaceful attitude, into peaceful process, into peaceful resolution, into peaceful understanding of behavior, how to respond in a proper manner. For example, when you work hard and when you score not good marks, you feel anger, and you feel that what is the return, what you get, that is not expectable. At the time, anger give two response, that is flight and fight, and a big flood of vessel, of muscle, of flow of blood, that is high blood pressure, and that redness on your face come up. And friends, do you feel that anger does really solve our problem and come to the solution out of such problem of how to behave in a proper manner at the time of when something pisses you off, when something feel worsen to you, when something feels screaming towards, instead of screaming towards the situation, you have to tackle the situation. You have to understand that anger itself is a natural adaptive response. Techniques of anger management. Friends, you have to understand that anger is itself a natural emotion, and it's easy to tackle and control and manage anger. When you feel anger, just understand and feel your emotion, and understand your emotion and convert that emotion into positive attitude. And instead of shouting on others and feeling later guilt and anger towards yourself, and instead of harming physical health of your own self rather than harming the health of others, you have to do proper conversation with your parents, with your friends, and you have to understand why you are feeling so angry. Friends, don't let the bottle pop. Anger itself is an acid, and once you understand this, you cannot allow that acid to flow in your vessel and store in your vessel, that harm yourself more rather than it harm to others. Friends, laugh aloud, crack jokes, do humorous things at the time, and substitute that things into laugh, and convert that negative behavior, negative attitude into positive behavior. Channel your anger. Use mindful attitude towards your own self-care and kindful energy towards own self-attitude, and grateful to God, grateful to Allah, to understand that once the Allah prepared you, made you, and you have to understand each and every emotions of your body. You have to take care your own self. Like once you buy a car, you take care car so much, you clean car daily. Likewise, you have to update yourself daily, you have to update your emotion daily, you have to convert your anger into more updated positive attitude. think before you speak. Friends, once you understand that, once you feel anger, you have to understand that think twice before you speak. You have to convert that expression into positive attitude, so that if you do not do this, then you feel guilty, you feel anger, and you feel regret to your own self. So best way is think twice and speak out and express at the time of anger. As soon as you start thinking in a clear manner, and as soon as you start expressing yourself in a clear manner, so there is much chances that you hurt others less, you hurt others, you harm others less. So it's the best way to express yourself in a proper manner and understand your emotion, understand your thoughts, and convert in a positive way. Do some exercises. Physical exercises, research shows that it reduces stress, it reduces anger, and like brisk walking and running and doing yoga like shavasana in a posture of dead, and lying on a ground and feeling yourself and feeling your in breathing and exhaling and inhaling, exhaling all bad emotions and inhaling all positive emotions. Take time out. What you feel anger, what you makes calm, what you feel worsen your attitude, what you feel peaceful. So you have to understand the difference between what makes you angry and what makes you so peaceful. So you have to work on that way. Friends, identify solution rather than shouting up and going mad and crazy to any such thing. Take for example, when your child do messy things in a room, and if you don't like it, close the door, take a deep breath. When your partner daily coming late at night and you don't let togetherly eat togetherly, so it's better that schedule a plan, schedule a meal where you can eat together and where you can enjoy together, rather than shouting on others, rather than harming yourself or yourself. You can manage the anger, you can control the anger, you can convert resolution, you can go for an idea. Friends, avoid blaming others, placing blame on others. That increase tension, that increase anger, and try to forgive others. Don't hold grudges on others, and try to find solutions and try to place positive attitude in your heart, in your mind, and you feel that Allah is the supreme and Allah Almighty is created you, and you are the best version of Allah, you are the best version of your own well-being. Use humor to release tension, and lightening up can also reduce and diffuse tension in your body, and good hormones releases in your body, and relaxation skill also lightening up. When tension flares you, put yourself into relaxation and repeat those words, repeat exercise of repeating the words like all is well and everything is well and everything is gonna to fine. Friends, understand that this world is not last longer. Whatever we get in this world is not last longer, is temporary. So why we are running to the materialistic things in the world, and we expect more things in the world, and we convert that expectation when our expectation is not fulfilled, that is converted into anger. Friends, have trust and belief to Allah, and that you feel that everything you're gonna get in this world is not really good as compared to what Allah will give you to another world, in the next world. So friends, yes, of course we are living in the world and we need things, we have expectations, but don't attach yourself with such an expectation and with such a desire. If your desire is not fulfilled, you have to understand that you convert that thing into resolution. Yes, I will definitely continue to gonna to do the thing and achieve that thing and fulfill that thing, and I can achieve that thing. So friends, you have to understand that once your desire is fulfilled, you are so much fulfilled, you are so much happy. And once the desire is not fulfilled, that is converted into your anger. So you have to understand this emotion, and you have to understand that anger is a simple, normal, adaptive, natural emotion of a human being. So it is necessary to understand it and take it in a proper way and behave in a proper manner, and understand the new perspective of anger, and believing that you can convert that emotion into positive attitude. Thank you.